Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Premiere Pro to add captions using YouTube-friendly formats step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Premiere Pro for optimal performance. Navigate to the window menu on the top toolbar. From the drop-down, select Workspaces and then click on Captions and Graphics. In the Captions workspace, locate the New Item button. Click on New Item and select Captions. Choose the appropriate caption format from the options provided. For YouTube compatibility, select Subrip Subtitle (SRT) format. Click OK to create a new captions file. In the Captions panel, start typing your captions. Ensure to insert the correct timecodes for each caption line. Use the playback controls to check the timing of your captions as you go. Once you have completed your captions, select the Captions file in the Project panel. Right-click on the Captions file and choose Export. In the Export Settings dialog, select SRT as the format for your export. Choose the destination folder where you want to save the caption file. Click Export to generate the SRT file. After exporting, head over to your YouTube account. Access the video for which you want to add the captions. In the video settings, look for the Subtitles section. Click on Add Subtitles and then select Upload a file. Choose the SRT file you just exported from Premiere Pro. Follow the prompts to complete the upload process. Review the captions within YouTube to ensure they are correctly synchronized. Save your changes and publish your video. You have now successfully updated Premiere Pro to add captions using YouTube-friendly formats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.